Hello, so you got a big trip coming up in China? It would be wise to learn basic introductions in Mandarin. My name is Lyon Brave, and I am here to make your life easier. If you only learn how to say one thing in Chinese for your trip to China, you should learn how to say ni hao, which translates to you good. Ni means you, and hao, good. Hello in Chinese is ni hao. Hello, ni hao, ni hao. Expression you should learn is how to ask, how are you? Which is ni hao ma, ni hao ma. Ma is a question mark in Chinese. Ni hao ma. Remember, hello is ni hao, and how are you? Ni hao ma, ni hao ma. How are you? Ni hao ma. The response you will get when asking ni hao ma is usually wo hen hao, wo hen hao. Wo means I, wo hen hao, which can translate into I am fine, wo hen hao. If you only know in Chinese, this should be the second one. Xie xie, xie xie. It means thank you, xie xie. You might hear wo hen hao, xie xie. The fifth expression to learn is bang wo, which means help me. Now, you still might not be able to explain what you need help with, bang wo, so you'll have to use gestures, but bang wo will get their attention to help you with directions or whatever you need. Bang wo, help me. Chinese people are especially proud of their country. They will definitely ask you if you like China. The correct answer is wo shi wan zhong go, wo shi wan zhong go, wo shi wan zhong go, wo shi wan zhong go. I like China. At some point while living in China, you're gonna want to make friends. You can start by asking, what is your name? Ni jiao shema mingzi? Ni jiao shema mingzi? What is your name? So, using what we've learned, ni hao, hello, ni jiao shema mingzi? What is your name? Ni hao ma, how are you? And now we're speaking Mandarin and making friends. Your new friend is gonna ask, ni jiao shema mingzi? What is your name? And you're gonna have to answer back. So you say, what a mingzi jiao? Insert your name. What a mingzi jiao? Leon. What a mingzi jiao? Apple. What a mingzi jiao? Tom. Or a simple way to say it is wo jiao? Tom. I am Tom. Wo jiao? Tom. What a mingzi is name. Mingzi, name. After we make friends, it would be polite to say很高兴认识你, which means it's nice to meet you. This is also good to have in your arsenal of Mandarin for business meetings and interviews. 很高兴认识你. You might want to extend your hand when meeting a parent and say 很高兴认识你. It's nice to meet you. This is Lyon Brave, and I am a language coach. I teach as an ESL teacher internationally, and I prefer China. It was great learning Mandarin with you. Zaijian. Very good. Hen hao. Very good. Hen hao. I am a very good teacher. If you want to hire me, I am leaving my email. This content was free to make thanks to Adobe Spark. Pretty cool.